Hello. Okay, so let's talk about hangboarding. And I'm going to put this on my, okay. So hopefully you can see this dark hangboard, but hopefully it's a good angle where you can see my hand from the side. Oh, I see part of the problem. Okay. So when you're hangboarding, you want the second knuckle from the top of your finger to be bent. So it's going to be bent here. And then where your finger meets your hand, these knuckles, you want to be flat. You do not want your thumb in there. It depends on your anatomy if your pinky can fit in there. So just however is comfortable for your pinky. And then for edge depth, so I just use what is comfortable on my first finger pads. So my finger pads just happen to be 20 millimeters. So that works out great for me. But if 25 millimeters is comfortable for you, if 30 millimeters is comfortable for you, that's okay. Research shows that it really doesn't matter. There's not really a difference between a 30 millimeter edge and a 25 millimeter edge. So when you're setting up half crimp, the reason that we're doing half crimp is it is the most frequently used hand position. It's the best hand position to practice on the hangboard. So getting started with hangboarding, half crimp is the way to go. So when you're getting up here, now I just want to show you, because this is actually pretty hard to tell. This knuckle on my hand right now is bent. And then now it's flat. So I don't know if you can tell the difference there. Bent, flat. So when I'm hanging, my goal is to have a flat hand. So like that, okay? So if you're interested in training full crimp or 3-finger drag, let me know, because there's certain things that need to be taken into consideration when you're training those positions specifically. So definitely best bet to most frequently train half crimp.